Trash receptacles are the #1 breeding site for flies. They are also the #1 breeding site for more than 65 diseases and millions of bacteria that flies easily spread throughout facilities and surrounding communities. A man-made environmental disaster. Island Bin Cleaners introduces the newest of technologies designed to help fight the global war against the spread of disease and bacteria. Their innovative, time-released vapor technology strips are applied to trash receptacles and garbage rooms. The strips emit an odorless and clean vapor that penetrates deep into every crack and crevice of the receptacle or treatment space, killing all flying and crawling insects 24 hours a day, and has no negative environmental impacts. The threat is real and happening right now inside and outside of your facility. Are you protected? Contact us now for more information.